4x4 SCA doing the Reaper Challenge. I'm on day 31. Hey! Sorry, I got a turkey that's stuck behind something. Hold on. Kind of like a dog that gets wrapped around a pole. They don't know how to get themselves loose from the pole. Same thing, except it's a turkey wedged behind a fence. So, whatever. Thought I'd do some greatsword today. And I need to warm up and just... Are you done? Alright. This heavy bar seems to be a good way to warm up for the greatsword. So... not done. Oh, there goes the turkey. Like I said, I'm not trying to do 100 whacks with the heavy bar. Just trying to loosen up. I was discussing this with somebody at practice one day. I do a lot of this. So if I'm having trouble doing crossbody, I'll just switch. And a lot of people don't do that. It's a little over 100. That'll do for now. Whew. If you like what you see, leave a comment, leave a thumbs up. If you don't like what you see, tell me why. And we'll see you guys tomorrow.